Click File. Open File. Choose file type as SCHISM. Add a pseudocolor plot of salinity. Add pseudocolor salinity. Click Draw. Use the mouse to zoom in. Click Controls, Annotation. To turn off database and user information, uncheck the boxes. And hit Apply. Click 3D. Turn off the axes and the bounding box. Use the mouse to rotate. The center of rotation is inconvenient and messes up the plot. Click the Reset button and zoom in again. Click Controls. View. Click Advanced. Maintain the view limits and choose a better center of rotation. We will set Z equals 0. Hit Apply, then Dismiss. The plot has visualization errors because of cells with missing data. Click Pseudocolor. Operators. Selection. Threshold. Select the threshold operator. Add the variable salinity. Delete the default variable. Use all in range. Hit Apply. To scale the Z limits properly to be proportional with X and Y, add a transform. Operators. Transforms. Transform. Here we scale Z by 0.004.